Hello, and welcome to today's video on the planet Saturn. Today we will be discussing some of the lesser-known facts about this gas giant. Saturn's moons Janus and Epimetheus have a unique orbital configuration where they swap orbits every 4 years. Many of us are familiar with the stunning and visible ring system that surrounds the planet, but did you know that these rings are relatively young, possibly only a few 100 million years old? It's believed that they may have been formed by a shattered moon or comet. The rings are also composed of billions of individual ice particles, ranging in size from tiny grains to chunks several meters across. Saturn's ring system is not static and changes over time, with new ringlets forming and old ringlets disappearing. One of the lesser-known facts about Saturn is that it has faint ring systems that are difficult to observe and require advanced imaging techniques to be studied. And the spokes on Saturn's rings are thin, radial features that appear to be made of ice particles and are thought to be formed by charged particles. Next, let's talk about Saturn's magnetic field. This is one of the largest structures in the solar system, stretching out over 2 million kilometers. It's believed that the magnetic field is generated by motions in the planet's metallic hydrogen core. Saturn has a complex system of magnetic fields, with several distinct regions and unexpected variations. The planet also has a tilted axis of rotation, similar to Earth, which causes its seasons to change. But the seasons on Saturn last about 7 Earth years. The planet's magnetic field is tilted at an angle of 11.7 degrees compared to its axis of rotation. Saturn's atmosphere is mostly composed of hydrogen and helium and also contains a layer of smog-like haze, mostly composed of complex hydrocarbons, which is thought to be produced by sunlight breaking apart methane molecules. The atmosphere is also divided into several distinct layers, including a warm tropical layer and a cold polar hood. The hexagon-shaped jet stream on Saturn is the largest and most stable of its kind in the solar system. The atmosphere is home to several large storms, including the Great White Spot, which is a massive storm that occurs every 30 years. It has a complex weather pattern, with storms, lightning, and wind patterns that are not fully understood. The atmosphere has the highest wind speeds of any planet in the solar system, with winds reaching up to 1,800 kilometers per hour. And another interesting fact about Saturn is that it emits more energy than it receives from the sun, meaning it has a source of internal heat. Scientists believe this heat may be generated by the planet's core contracting and releasing gravitational energy. So there you have it, some lesser-known facts about the planet Saturn. From its young ring system to its complex magnetic field and atmosphere, this gas giant is truly a marvel to behold. Thank you for watching. Uranus next.